Why do people get depressed? A neuroscientist blames brain chemistry. A behaviorist blames learned habits. A humanist blames unmet needs. They are all studying the same disorder through completely different lenses. Psychology has 7 of them. The biological perspective examines how the brain, genes, hormones, and nervous system influence behavior. It asks, what is happening in the body that produces this thought, feeling, or action? Neuroscience, genetics, and evolutionary biology all fall within this framework. The psychodynamic perspective, rooted in Freud, argues that behavior is driven by unconscious conflicts, unresolved childhood experiences, and competing mental forces. It focuses on what lies beneath the surface, the hidden motives that conscious reflection cannot easily access. The behavioral perspective, championed by Watson and Skinner, insists that psychology should study only observable behavior, not mental states. Behavior is learned through conditioning. Change the environment, and you change the behavior. Inner life is irrelevant to the science. The cognitive perspective shifted psychology's focus back to mental processes, how we perceive, think, remember, and solve problems. Behavior is best understood as the product of information processing. What you think determines how you feel and act. The humanistic perspective, developed by Maslow and Rogers, emphasizes free will, conscious experience, and the drive towards self-actualization. People are not victims of their unconscious or their environment. They are agents capable of growth, meaning, and authentic choice. The sociocultural perspective examines how society, culture, ethnicity, gender, and social context shape behavior and thinking. The same action means different things in different cultures. Psychology must account for the world beyond the individual brain. The evolutionary perspective applies Darwin's natural selection to behavior. Traits that helped our ancestors survive and reproduce were passed down. Fears, social bonds, mating preferences, and even cooperation have evolutionary roots that modern psychology is still mapping. Modern psychology favors the biopsychosocial model, which holds that behavior and mental health arise from the interaction of biological factors, psychological processes, and social context. No single perspective is complete. All 3 levels must be considered together.